Welcome back. Time for today's Tech Check, and shares of Nvidia have rallied a stunning 210% this year. It's the best performing stock in the S&P. Now company insiders are unloading their shares. Kristina Partsinevelos joins us now with some of the implications and speculation about that. Kristina?
Well, with that kind of rally that you just mentioned, there's no wonder insiders are looking to cash in. So this, according to the Washington service, Nvidia executives and directors filed paperwork with the intent to sell 370,000 shares of Nvidia. That's worth maybe about $180 million at the time that they filed. If all of them followed through with the sale, it would be the biggest monthly stock dump from insiders in 6 years. Shares, though, of Nvidia have been steadily falling, actually, since mid-November, November 20th to be exact, and are also down today. There's a few reasons. You got insider selling that may play a role. There's rotation into risk away from the Magnificent Seven, which includes Nvidia, along with comments from Commerce Secretary Gina Raimondo over the weekend, who said she's keeping a close eye on Nvidia's new AI chips destined for China. So this happened at a defense forum over the weekend. Raimondo said, quote, "If you design a chip around a particular cut line that enables them to do AI, I'm going to control it the very next day." Well, Nvidia has designed chips specifically for China that fall within U.S. export controls. Those new chips are set to launch in Q1 of next year, but Raimondo's comments have some analysts worried right now and investors that the new workaround chips for China could actually get blocked, further impacting Nvidia's sales. Nvidia's management also warned on its latest earnings call that the export controls would, quote, significantly impact revenues in Q4, and that's because China contributes 20 to 25% of total data center revenue. I reached out to Nvidia, and they said, quote, they are engaged with the U.S. government and, quote, are working to offer compliant data center solutions. So that was a response specifically to Secretary Raimondo's comments. Nvidia GPUs, we know, the hottest ticket in town, but competition could be ramping up. This Wednesday, competitor AMD will be launching its own AI chip. That would be the MI300X. I'll be at that event, and that's why I'm here in California. And I'll be interviewing CEO Lisa Su at 3:30 p.m. Eastern on Wednesday. And then you also have Intel with its own AI event, less a chip thing, but that'll happen on December 14th next week. So there's going to be definitely some more movement in the chip space over the coming weeks.
You know, Kristina, I was at a family dinner last night, and my nephew was asking me about Nvidia because he happens to own some of it. And I said to him, and I'm happy to hear you sort of confirm it, I said, Nvidia is the hot ticket right now, but don't think they're not going to have competition coming down the line.
Excellent point. Even my 19-year-old cousin in Vancouver was asking me about Nvidia and whether he should be buying it. The reason it's the hottest ticket in town is because it provides the GPUs for, in order for companies to train large language models. But the second portion of that equation is inferencing, so spitting out the answers to your questions. And that's where AMD could play a role in the near future. Their memory that they're going to provide in their new chip also competes. So there is some competition. And don't forget, hyperscalers are creating all of their own chips. You have these smaller startups, too. So competition will ramp up.
All right. Yeah, reminded me back of the year 2020 or 1999 when we were all talking about the internet stocks, whether it was CMGI or whatever it was. But anyhow.
But then we saw what happened to them, right?
And we saw what happened to them.
Exactly.
And you were in second grade. I was here.
No.
Whatever.
Maybe second grade, yeah.
All right. See you. Thanks.
Thank you.